Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today you're gonna start by putting the flour in a container and you add your salt and then the dried yeast. So never mix the dried yeast and the salt straight away because it's just gonna kill your yeast and it's not gonna work. So put them separate and then after you will mix them with the water and everything. Any quantity you need, I put all the quantity I'm using in the description. So just go have a look below. And then after you gonna add the water. So water like 20-25 degree room temperature, say. And mix it with your finger. Just like this. So you keep mixing, make sure you mix like all the flour into the dough. Then after, if you want, you can do like on your work plan, just put like some flour if your dough is too sticky and just knead the dough on the work plan. The best is gonna be like you knead the dough for 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, just do like this. So if you add flour on the work plan, try to don't add too much because after, it's just more and more flour and your dough is just gonna be too heavy. So it's okay if it's sticky a bit, you just add like a bit like this, but not too much. The more you work your dough, the less it's gonna be sticky. So after you just form a ball like this and you put it back in the container or in a new one if you want, it's up to you. And you're just gonna cover with a cloth and leave it to rest for an hour and a half. So after an hour and a half you can see the dough had double size. So you take it back and you degas the dough just like this. So yeah, I didn't say leave it to rest on a room temperature only. Don't put it in the fridge or just leave it like in a cover or somewhere. So yeah, then you're gonna work the dough again for, I don't know, like a couple of minutes, not that much. So you see it's a bit sticky, but it's okay. And yeah, just work it like this, like a couple of minutes. And then you're gonna form a ball again and put it back in the container, cover again, and leave it to rest more like 1 hour. then once again you take it back, you degass the dough. So if it's too much sticky for you, you can add some flour, but like I said, don't put too much flour because after, yeah, it's just gonna be too heavy. So after you're just gonna cut 7, well, if you do the same quantity as me, 7 small pieces. Try to do them like all the same way. Yeah, just do like a small ball like this. Or you can do like baguette forms if you prefer, but yeah. So yeah, just like this, you see they're all nearly the same size. It's just better for cooking, you know, if they're all the same size. And you're gonna let them to rest for 40 minutes. Then you preheat your oven 240 degrees and you put a container or a saucepan, like something which resists the heat in the oven, and you leave it to preheat. So after the 40 minutes, you take back your dough and you're gonna spread some water on top. It's just gonna help, you know, to make it golden on the cookie. And then you take a knife or scissors and you're gonna make an incision on top. So you can do just like me, just like this, or you can do like cross, or yeah, what you want. And then you're gonna put them in the oven to cook for 20 to 25 minutes, but always check the time because it's just, yeah, maybe your oven gonna need less time, more time. It's, yeah, you have to check if it's cooked or not. And then take back this recipient or saucepan you put inside and just like this, pour some water in it. It's gonna make like water vapor because it was recipient hot, and it's just gonna help cooking the bread. So yeah, after 20 to 25 minutes, you take your bread out, if it's cooked of course. Just like this, you see, made like a nice golden color on top. Here we go. So you can eat them straight away, like nice hot. And if you want to keep them, for example, you don't eat them all the same day, you want to keep them the next day, I suggest you put them like in a plastic bag. They're gonna help the bread staying a bit soft. If not, they're just gonna get really hard. So hope you like it. If it's the case, don't hesitate to subscribe.